Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Antonio back here with a crypto video. Just want to let you guys know that Archangel has actually launched now and is ready for you guys to go invest in. I will have the contact address in my description. That way you guys can go check that out. I do apologize for not coming earlier. It was a very hectic Sunday, and I was busy all day helping with all sorts of kind of stuff. It's it definitely was not the break that I thought we'd probably have with launch. With launch, it probably came about 20 more things we had to do. So again, I apologize for making this video so late, but again, Archangel has launched. I will have the buying guide for that tomorrow. I will also have the contact address in today's video in the description, and I will also have it in the tomorrow's description as well. On top of that, I will also be doing a market review as well, and so if you guys want to look forward to that, that'd be great. So that's all I have for you tonight, and I will see you guys Monday. Bye.